Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video, room decors video. So today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like. If you like, don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon so that my notification will get you first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the cupboard door, you can see the wall, you can see white color wall, the golden color lamp and all. The bed is very beautiful, the floor also, the mat and all, very beautiful decoration and design. This is also very beautiful, you can see the cupboard and all, and the frame and the lamp and all very beautiful. And the bed frame is very beautiful, also very beautiful. The floor you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the wooden color theme and all, and the walls white color wall and all, and the doors you can see the bed and all, very beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the beds, you can see the wall, you can see black color wall and the walls, and the lamp also very beautiful. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the frames and all, very beautiful frames, and you can see the wall and all, very beautiful walls, and the plants you can see beautiful plants. It's also very beautiful. You can see the walls, the cotton, you can see the wall, beautiful decoration and design. So you can see the up, you can see maybe lamp or what, I don't know. The side you can see mirror, and the floor you can see the beautiful mat. This is also very beautiful. The down mat you can see, the wall you can see, the frame, photo frame you can see, the mirror and all, and the lamp is all very beautiful decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see this black color bed, and the wall you can see silver color, the white color wall, the lamp you can see this also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the green color bed and all, and the lamp, and the floor you can see wooden color theme wall. This is also very beautiful. You can see the floor, you can see beautiful mat and all, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see it's also good. You can see the wall, the wooden color theme, the up lamp, you can see beautiful lamp and all, and the frame, bed frame, beautiful, looking very beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, you can see the cupboards, you can see the up, you can see small lamp, the plants coming out, beautiful design. This also very beautiful. You can see the small lights and all, and the frame, photo frame, you can see the photo frame is also very beautiful. Family photos, beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see green color bed and all, and the wall also blue color. The side painting, beautiful painting, also very beautiful. Good decoration and design. This is also very beautiful. You can see the cotton, you can see white color cotton and all, and the black color frame and all, beautiful frame, looking very good, very nice. This also you can see the black color bed, you can see the plate and all, it is there, beautiful, looking very good. This also very beautiful. You can see the bed and all, very beautiful, everything decoration is very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon, so when I post my new video you will get the notification first. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care of your health. Goodbye, take care.